In this video, I want to think about ratios as multipliers that compare total amounts. So let's start by looking at an example of how to use this method. Let's suppose a company makes gloop by mixing glue and starch in a 3:2 ratio. So I want to know how much glue the company will need to mix with 25 liters of starch with 45 liters and with S liters. So we know the starch consists of 2 parts and the glue consists of 3 parts. So if I view the starch as a single group, then we have that the glue is 3/2 groups. And in this case, no matter what the size of one group, whether it's 25 liters or 45 liters, the fraction 3/2 is going to help us answer the question. If I think about this in terms of a drawing, I know I have 3 glue and 2 starch. So if I choose this amount of starch to be one group, then we can see that each of these, this would be 1.5, so a total of 3/2 groups. So for 25 liters of starch, the glue is going to need to be 3/2 times 25. For 45 liters, we would need 3/2 times 45 liters of glue. And then finally, if we have S liters of starch, we would need 3/2 times S total liters of glue. So this is my starch and this is my glue. To continue this problem, how much starch will the company need to mix with 40 liters of glue, 50 liters of glue, and with G liters of glue? Well, now if I view the glue as one group, then in that case, the starch would be 2/3 of a group. So therefore, I can use this ratio 2/3 to find the amount of starch for any amount of glue. So if I build a quick table, 40 liters of glue would be 2/3 times 40 liters of starch. 50 liters of glue will be 2/3 times 50 liters of starch. And G liters of glue would be 2/3 times G liters of starch.